Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face in Blazor applications. The problem we're discussing revolves around the behavior of the MudNavMenu component in Blazor. It seems like when you click on a menu link, the previously clicked link remains highlighted, which can be a bit confusing for users. But fret not, as I have a simple yet effective solution to this issue. The solution lies in tweaking the settings of the MudNavMenu component. By setting the color property of the MudNavMenu to color.transparent, you can hide the highlight that persists on the previously clicked menu link. This will ensure that only the currently active menu link is highlighted, providing a seamless user experience. Alternatively, you can customize the CSS class that is applied to the MudNavLink when it is active by using the active class property. This allows you to define a custom style for the active menu link, giving you more control over its appearance. And there you have it. With these solutions in hand, you can now ensure that your Blazor application's menu navigation behaves as expected, without any lingering highlights causing confusion. I hope this explanation was helpful to you in resolving the nagging menu highlight issue. If you found this information useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Remember, happy coding, and may your bugs be minimal. Goodbye for now.